Kaplan America fun run. How was the ride, guys? Just the fun run, they're just pulling in. What year is that? 1964. How was the ride? Awesome. You won. How was the ride? Look at these old bikes. Nice. Little plastic bikes here. 1934 flathead BMW R100. Look at that, huh? So I'm at the AMCA rally here in Terryville, Connecticut, and some beautiful bikes here. Stay tuned. Look at this beauty. Indian 4, Sport 4. Probably worth well in excess of $100,000. Look at that little thing. Awesome, awesome bikes. Let's take a ride through the place and check them all out. State police bike. Here's a 1913 Indian. Look at this thing. It's a fresh barn find. We got a rig here at the show, doing a little promotion. Trying to land some new clients, buy some bikes. If you're wondering what I'm riding around, I'm riding my trusty Honda CRF 250L with the FMF Q4 and the brand new Michelin tires on there. Thing's a ball.